I'm Bob, and I'm from the state of Connecticut in the U.S. I start my day at 6:30 a.m. After a 45-minute drive to Torrington, I open up the workshop, turn on the lights, open the doors, and prepare for the safety meeting with my team at 7 a.m. The safety meeting is one of my top priorities to keep the team safe. Some days we talk about safety glasses, safety shoes, proper lifting, and sometimes about fireworks or the importance of safety at home. I always want to make sure that everybody gets a little safety instructions that they can use not only at work but also in their private lives. After the safety meeting, we do a few exercises and stretches to prepare for the warm-up of the work. I'm the Quality Control Manager here at Andritz in Torrington. I've been working here for over 60 years. Originally, I came from the Faro Company, and that became Andritz. We here in Torrington, we are one of North America's largest facilities for fixing rolls for our customers in both the paper and in the non-woven sectors. I still remember my first day, age 18, when I first saw this big 30 to 50 ton roll being moved around over my head and then manipulated into the machine with a crane. To me, this was and still is awesome and inspiring to this day.
In 38 years that I've been working with Bob, I've learned a great deal from him. Without his help, guidance, and experience, I wouldn't be in the position where I am today. Bob's not only a co-worker, but also a good friend. Bob will remember your personal things in life, like wedding anniversaries, send you a reminder to remind you to get a gift for your wife so you don't get in trouble. Bob is the most dedicated person I have seen in 38 years. He not only adapts to the changes, but he also embraces the changes.
Steve is the plant manager. He's one of the busiest guys I know that works here. He's always talking to customers and to the shop floor people and making sure that everything works in synchronization so that we could get the jobs done on time. Steve is the lifeblood of Andritz in Torrington. He makes everything work well here.
Bob is old school. You don't find many people that are genuine in the way he is anymore. He's always a gentleman and remembers the little things that are important to the people he works and deals with. Many times on holidays, you often get texts from Bob, Merry Christmas, Happy 4th of July. He always seems to remember. No matter who he's speaking to, whether on the phone or in person, Bob always ends his conversation with a thank you, followed by his signature phrase.
I wish you a sparkling day.
Bob's years in the paper industry have afforded him a knowledge base that's not something you can teach someone or preserve. There's not much that he hasn't seen or come across in his 60 years. He always seems to have a solution to every problem we throw at him, and he's amazing at digging up old records. Over the years, other employees have dubbed him Merlin. One of our previous employees even gifted him a wizard hat that he proudly displays in his office even today.
Mike and I have been working together for over 26 years. Mike is our documentation person, our IT guy, our shipper receiver, our drafts person. Mike is the guy that you want to go to if you get any of your computer work fixed. He's always coming to help me. I probably don't thank him enough for all that he does for me. I love working at Andritz. It's most important to me is fulfilling my obligations and tasks to the best of my ability. However, what matters most to me are my comrades, the people that I work with. Every day I strive to improve their skills and working conditions, and I'm trying to make their lives a little bit better. They are the best people that I know because they have such a can-do attitude. Always try to do your best, smile and laugh a lot, especially at yourself. Don't worry about the small stuff. Address major concerns immediately. Always tell the truth. And when you leave work, leave everything about work on the table. And remember to laugh at home even more.